Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix screen flicking issue on any Android phone. If your display is randomly blinking or flickering, don't worry, I'll walk you through some simple and effective fixes. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, restart your phone. This might sound basic, but it actually fixes a lot of temporary glitches. Just press and hold the power button along with the volume up button, and when the power menu appears, tap on restart. Now keep in mind, different phones may use different button combinations, so just follow the method that works for your device. Now moving to the second method, turn off adaptive brightness and change the refresh rate. Sometimes adaptive brightness can cause screen flickering, especially on AMOLED displays. So go to settings, then tap on display or display and brightness. Here, turn off auto brightness or adaptive brightness. After that, scroll down and disable feature like night light or eye comfort mode. Then find the screen refresh rate option and set it to 60 Hz. This simple tweak fixes the issue for most users. Now let's talk about the third method. Check for software updates or do a factory reset. Go to settings, then find security and privacy or system update. Tap system and updates and check if there's any update available. If there is, go ahead and install it. If the problem still isn't fixed, your last option is to do a factory reset. Just make sure to back up your data before doing this. And if even that doesn't solve the issue, then it's most likely a hardware problem. Finally, check if the issue happens while charging. If your screen flickers only when your phone is on charge, then the problem might be your charger. Make sure you are using the original charger. Try switching to a different cable or adapter as well, because low quality charger can often cause display instability. So yeah guys, these were some of the best and easiest ways to fix screen flicking on Android. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.